Warren Buffett said it another way. When others are greedy, be fearful. When others are fearful, be greedy. All the same thing. But it's really, really, really hard to do.
It is, and for legitimate reasons. One of the big challenges with investing is dealing with this kind of uncertainty that we're actually experiencing right now. It's easy to say be a long-term investor and don't pay attention to the day-to-day ups and downs. And if you look over 40 years, markets go up much more than they go down. But when you're in one of these situations like we're in right now, it's emotionally quite challenging. Even for the most astute and experienced professionals, it can be quite challenging. And the fundamental thing about markets that folks need to understand is that this is the kind of risk that we get paid for taking. This is what stock markets reward you for in the long run by taking on this kind of risk. And it's uncomfortable. And there can be situations where it's actually financially quite uncomfortable to stay the course, right? If you lose your job or all of a sudden your mortgage payment has gone way up, those are real effects. They have a real impact on your day-to-day life. And uh, luckily, most people are just going to watch their 401k balance go up and down or their brokerage statement go up and down, and it might not have a dramatic impact on their day-to-day lives. But I think it's important to acknowledge that the emotional aspect of investing is real. People really do struggle with this.
I think you made a really good point that this is why financial advisors get paid to do what they do, right? That
Absolutely.
if you are losing your nerve, this is a really good time to talk to somebody. And if you have somebody to talk to, that's great. If you don't have somebody to talk to, you can always reach out to one of the wealth planners from Edelman Financial Engines at 833-PLAN-EFE or planefe.com, because sometimes we just need our hands held.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, this money is emotional, right? It is a big part of your life. It's something that drives very strong emotions, positively or negatively. And sometimes having an objective external opinion or a coach, somebody to coach you through these kinds of situations, can be really valuable.